What's up, everybody? We got a newcomer here to the tool review zone. This is from TECCPO. This is an impact gun, model number TDID01P. Comes from Amazon, believe it or not. We're going to run it through its paces. Let's get it started. Alright, here we are back with another tool, TECCPO, TECCPO. I'm going to put the link in the description below, but check it out, 20 volt 2AH batteries. These come in two with this impact gun. You also got the battery indicator light right up on front here. You get the battery charger, it tells you if it's full or if it's charging. You also get a pretty nice carrying bag with this. So the two batteries, the carrying bag, and the impact gun. You also get the belt clip with this. Alright, 20 volt max, yeah, 20 volt for this bad boy here. And this is what the specs read, 4,000 BPM. It seems a little bit high to me, but that's what they're claiming. And then 1,600 inch-pounds for the max torque. Now, as far as it goes with the grip, it feels pretty good, comfortable. You're only looking at a few pounds here with the battery. You got the LED light right there. It doesn't offer a great slip resistance type of material right there, but it is pretty comfortable. And you have your standard lock button here. That being said, it's balanced pretty well in the hands. I'm not having any issues with that, but again, if you're looking at, slip resistance and maybe your hands are really wet, I don't know. It's curved nice to the palm and the fingers. Everything works pretty smooth, but for that texture grip, I would have liked to have seen a little bit more when it came to that. This is a 1/4 inch gun right here, and the way you got to put these bits in is you actually got to pull that collar out and it'll stay in, but it's not like you can just put it in, it'll go in and then clip itself. You got to pull that out every time. Now, the first thing we're going to do is some screws. We're going to put 8 of these 2-inch screws right here. We're going to see how they drive. Alright, 2,900 RPM on that, no issue at all drilling those screws in. Let's see if we can take them out here. So with the 4,000 BPM, the 2,900 RPM, we should just be able to blast this screw down through. Let's see. Yep, that screw's gone forever. No issue at all drilling screws into a treated 4x4. That was pretty impressive, real easy to do. But now I want to do a lag screw. We're not going to drill any pilot holes, we're just going to go for it. Alright, so that went through a 2x4 and a 4x4, and both of these were wet. This side here is a little drier. Let's try it out. Alright, let's just finish it up. Alright, so a little bit of slowdown, but it drove it all the way down through without the pilot hole. Let's take it out and see how it does. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I gotta be honest with you, I didn't think it was gonna do it. I did not think it was gonna drive that down in there like that. I think what's really driving this is the 20 volt battery. It's a 2AH, but for 4,000 BPM and a 2,900 RPM, that's what it states. I'm not sure, but that's what it's stating. Let's try the lug nuts. That was actually much easier than I thought it would be. Let's just try one more here. That one there was a little bit harder to get out. It might have been a little bit tighter, but I gotta be honest with you, it's doing the job. Pretty impressive. Now let's put these back on, and then I will tighten them down and see how that works out. Alright, good. It's doing everything I needed to do so far. Now I want to try to drill some holes here. I just want to see how much this thing heats up. I know somebody's going to say, why are you using impact on a piece of wood? That's because I want to see if this thing heats up or not. Alright, so it's going down through. It's not the fastest I've ever used, but that being said, it is an impact gun, and we're just trying to see if this thing heats up or if the motor fails or anything. It's going down through. It's stuck a little bit here. I think I need to push down a little bit harder, but all in all, I mean, it's doing it. I could tell that as I was doing this, as I was continuously trying to get down through that wood, it was starting to heat up on the back of the gun a little bit, but as soon as I stopped, within a few seconds, it cooled down again. So I'm happy with that. You know, I don't think you guys are going to be using this for that purpose, but the jobs that you would do around the house, or even if you're starting out as a mechanic or in the body shop, I think this is a nice little starter, man. I think it's pretty nice. You're not going to get all those fancy specs. You also got the battery indicator here, and we only use 1 bar on the 2AH. Pretty nice. Now, those batteries only take 30 minutes to charge on the charger that they provide for you, so that's really not that bad either. As far as it goes with all the special features that we talked about, you're not going to get them on here. You're only going to get 1 speed, and that's it. It's just go, go, go. It's not slow mode, fast mode. You don't get anything like that. You do get the light, you do get the battery, you do get the case. Oh no, it's pretty cool. I gotta be honest with you, it held up for the price of this. I'll put it in a link in the description below, but it's not bad. It's pretty impressive for the price of this. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com. We'll be back.